Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 8 English Medium, Unit 8. Which unit? Unit 8. What is in this unit? There is a poem. And what is the poem name? On the grasshopper and the cricket. Today I am going to discuss with you the short question answer and long question answers. Okay? So, the first short answer type question. First question. What is the theme of the poem on the grasshopper and the cricket? Means what is the theme, main part of the poem? So, the theme of the poem on the grasshopper and the cricket is that about what? Nature. Nature is always happy. Nature is always happy. Nature is never sad. It is always singing. Its poetry is sometimes heard through birds and sometimes through other creatures. Just like whom? The grasshopper sings in summer and the cricket sings in winters. So what is the theme of the poem? Nature. Nature is never sad. He always became happy. Why he became happy? Because the creature likes the grasshopper and crickets. They always sings. The grasshopper sings in summer and the cricket sings in winter season. That is why the nature is always happy. So this is the theme of the poem. Now come to the second. When does a grasshopper sing? So a grasshopper sings on a hot summer day. Which day? A hot summer day. In the summer morning he sings. When the birds hide in cool shades, the grasshopper runs from haze to haze, emitting a sound. Kids call it nature's poetry. What? The other birds are hiding themselves. Where? In cool shades. Hiding themselves in cool shades. While the grasshopper runs from haze to haze. One place to second place. Haze to haze. And emitting a sound means creating a sound. And this kids, the poet, kids calls it a nature poetry. Now question number third. How does the poet describe grasshopper's happiness? How? See, the poet says that. What says? The grasshopper enjoys a lot. He has never done with his delights. Says kids. When tired, he rests beneath some weeds, means small trees. Okay, what does the poet say? The grasshopper enjoy a lot while singing. From going haze to haze. When he was tired, he took some rest beneath some weeds. Okay? Question number 4. In what atmosphere, according to kids, does one hear a cricket song? Okay, the cricket song is heard in winter. In which season the cricket is happy to sing? In winter season. When it is very cold and quiet, the winter silence is broken by the shrill sound. This is cricket song. Everybody sleeps because of too much cold and they remain calm, quiet. But in that calm and cold, the cricket sang, means shrilling himself, and the silence is broken. Broken by whom? The cricket. Question number 5. How does one mistake the shrill sound of cricket to be a grasshopper's song? How? See, in frosty winter, a person may feel drowsy. In that half-awakened state, one may mistake a cricket shrill sound to be a grasshopper song. Okay? In a drowsy means half asleep, half awakened, and state that one man make mistakes. He said he think that who sang here? Not cricket but a grasshopper song. Now these are the short answer type question. Now comes to the long answer type question. Here see, describe the poetry of summer season after John Keats. Summer season, who sings in the summer season? Grasshopper. So describe it. So according to John Keats, the poetry of earth can be heard all time. Who? According to John Keats, this poetry, the poetry of earth can be heard all the time. In hot summer days, the birds hide in cool trees. Because of too much heat, the birds took rest where beneath the trees, hiding themselves in cooling trees. They seem to forget their song and become silent. What? They means the birds seems to forget their songs and become silent because of too much heat. That is why. And this, however, does not mean that the poetry of earth has stopped. And while stopping them, okay, does not mean that this poetry has stopped because of them. But what happened on these hot days? The grasshopper takes the lead. These days, this means the hot summer days. Who takes the leads? The grasshopper takes the leads and sing songs. The grasshopper seems to be quite at ease with the hot summer. The grasshopper what? Seems quiet and continue he sings. Rather he is delighted. He is enjoying to sing. He runs from haze to haze singing joyfully. He is the first to enjoy the pleasure of the summer. So the grasshopper, from haze to haze he sings and enjoys a lot of. However, when tired with fun, he rests for a while beneath some pleasant weed. After singing too much singing, he was what? Taking rest. He was tired and taking rest where? Beneath some pleasant weeds. Then he resumes his running and poetry again. After taking rest beneath some pleasant weeds, he continued to sing a song. Okay? So, according to John Keats, poetry. Now question number 2. How according to Keats, the poetry of earth can be heard in winter? Now comes to which season? Winter. So in this winter season, who comes? Cricket song. Okay. A frosty winter evening is very still. Why it is very still? Because of cold. It seems very lonesome with utter silence all around. Nobody said anything. It is lonesome with utter silence. Nobody says anything. This silence is suddenly broken by a shrill sound coming from the stones. Okay? Nobody says anything and the shrill sound comes from where? From the stones. Shrill sounds. Who sings and who sounds? This comes from the cricket. Who? Cricket. From the stone he shrills. Keats considers it the winter poetry of the earth, and John Keats considered this is the song of winter, poetry of the earth. The cricket song has warmth which constantly increases. The cricket song continue to increase this song and getting warm. To a drowsy person, it may seem a grasshopper song. Some of like us may hustle and say that this is whose song? Grasshopper song. Instead of saying that the cricket song, it make mistakes. In that case, he is likely to imagine the green hills. Okay? In that case, what he likes to imagine that this is the green hills. He may feel that the grasshopper is singing there. And one of that man who make mistakes saying that this is the grasshopper song, not says the cricket song. Okay, and then he may feel that this is the grasshoppers who from from the stone singing the songs. So these are the short answer type question and long answer type question I explained you, and you write it in your notebook. Thank you.